Hey Wayne, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Denzel on the phone and I told him that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which right away I can see that you guys have definitely spent some time and or some money into this. It looks really good, and it looks like you guys have a decent amount of content on here, which is really important because Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys have just a little over 1,000. So we can definitely add in just a little bit more content on here. We also want to make sure the content on your website now and the stuff we add in is all quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is orthodontist in Detroit. This is a great keyword. It brings in 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar, we may typically see some Google ads. I don't see any popping up right now, but Google ads can be a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, they can definitely be quite a waste of money, but if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is super important, especially now that so many people are searching for things from their phones. And I see right here that you guys pop up, which is great. We could definitely get the reviews a little bit higher, but it's really great to be up here in order to maintain your spot on here as well as getting some more good reviews. We also want to make sure that you have more citations than these other companies right here. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those directories than anyone else. And so over here, I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're actually going to be clicking on one of these organic search results. And it's almost always going to be one at the top of the first page. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks pretty good as well. I actually did a word counter search on them as well, and they have almost the exact amount of keywords that you have coming in and 8 words shorter than you. So it would be really easy to just add in a little bit more content to your site and beat them out with the amount of content. So in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text linking one website to another. So it's basically like a shout out. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local dentist were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be an excellent way to bring more power to your site. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a bit pricey. It costs me around $350 per month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in the competitor we were just looking at, and right now it's telling me they have 82 backlinks from 19 different domains and are ranking organically for 174 keywords. So I just clicked so that we can take a closer look. Here it will list all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we can go through and find the best keywords and incorporate those into your content. And so now I'm going to go back and I want to do basically the exact same thing that I just did with their keywords with their backlinks. And so right now it is telling me that they have 82 backlinks. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. So we can go through and find which ones have a high DR domain rating, and we can try and snag the best ones for your site. We can go through other competitors' backlinks and find some on our own. So now it's saying on here they have 74, which is an extremely easy number to beat. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor, and we want to beat out all the competitors for all of the keywords that you want to rank for. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I have popped your website into Ahrefs as well, and right now it's telling me you guys have 8 backlinks from 3 different domains and are ranking organically for 68 keywords. And so we can take a look and see which keywords those are. And so you guys are ranking number 1 for a few keywords, but if we look, only a few of those keywords bring in a decent amount of volume. And the ones that bring you the most traffic are the ones with the doctor's name in them. So we can definitely just try and add some more keywords that are a little bit more general so that people who are just looking for orthodontists but don't know who Dr. Joseph is, Wayne Joseph is, who you are, that they will be able to find you. And so to recap what we talked about, number 1, we want a little bit more content with the right keywords. Number 2, some more citations and some good Google reviews to improve your Google business profile page. And then number 3, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. Thank you.